Wanna know how to discover posts in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. And we have also created a video on how to log in or how to sign up, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Playsee application right here, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing various navigation bars right here. So on the middle, you should be seeing this source icon. So just select this source icon in the middle right here. And once you've selected it, above here, you should be seeing search. So you can just simply select it right here. Select search, and once you have selected it, you can just simply search anything that you like, any post that is trending, and much more. And you can see spotlights like reels, videos, and post about it accordingly. And that's it. That's how you easily discover posts and discover various medias in PC. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.